Hello friends, welcome back to this kitchen rendezvous. And today's friends, I'm gonna be sharing with you Haitian épis. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Hello friends, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and today I'll be sharing with you Haitian épis. A lot of you been asking me about my Haitian épis. Why not post one? Yes, I did post one, and I believe I use the music, and I guess I end up remove it because of the music. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and make the Haitian épis. Haitian épis is the essential base of our cooking, which means all those ingredients, all those vegetables here, we are going to blend them together. And I'll be adding some ground turmeric and as well some whole cloves and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And of course guys, without Haitian épis, guys, I'm telling you, your cooking will be on the next level. Those blended of vegetables or spices will give your food a different flavor. Trust me. And I believe the Caribbean will all have a different base of seasoning. Some of the Caribbean call it green seasoning. Us Haitian will call it épis. And if you Google it, you'll see what is Haitian épis. It is the base essential all herbs together, blend them, such as green onions, bell peppers, garlic, thyme. All of them has to be fresh. And as well, parsley, everything in it, guys. Blend them together, and you can make different épis, such as mild, spicy, and épis. I'll be adding. This is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'll be adding 2 habanero pepper just to give it a kick because I'm gonna be marinating some meat. And yes, you can omit the spice. It depends what are you cooking, and it's not gonna make your food spicy. Trust me. And again, you can make it spicy, you can make it mild, or you can make it just original, the way it is. But guys, you need the Haitian épis in your life. You need this. Look at this. So, some people even taste it like this. And yes, I do taste it like that. It is so good. Oh my God, it is so good. For those of you that have been asking me the way I made my Haitian épis, there you go. This is how I make my Haitian épis with fresh thyme, garlic, cloves, bell peppers, green onions, and I did add a little bit, 1 stalk of celery, and as well a little bit of ginger. Yes, all of these herbs, the vegetables, guys, when you blend them together, oh my God. Oh my God, your food, when you're frying your beans or when you're making your food, when you're marinating your chicken or your meat or any type of meat, the smell, the aroma, it smells so good. Your house smells so good. I'm telling you, every Haitian household, we all have a Haitian épis. If we do not have Haitian épis, there's such a problem there. Yes, I'm speaking for all my Haitian people, and you guys can back me up on that. Yes, we do. We believe strongly on our épis. Yes, we do. With that being said, guys, this is the way I made my Haitian épis. And of course, if you do have any questions, go ahead, leave your questions in the comment section below. Some salt, and you can taste it to see the way the salt is. Again, I'm gonna be making different type of épis, and mild, green seasoning, and then spicy, so different type. And voila guys, there you go. Our Haitian épis is ready for us to cook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.